Welcome. Today I'm going to give you a tour of the new Recital costume planner available inside the Dance to Learn membership. So I'm really excited for this planner. This will hopefully make planning your costumes as well as communicating costume and show expectations to parents a lot easier by having a tool like this. So I'm going to give you some tips on how to use this. And hopefully you find this as a really useful tool for inside your dance studio. So here you can see now to enter the costume planner itself, you are going to need to copy and paste the password into the planner. And you can do that just by highlighting the password, clicking copy, and then pasting it. We do change the passwords periodically. So if you cancel your account and you notice it doesn't work anymore, it's because we've changed the password just to keep this planner available to our existing members only. So once inside, we have some optional text fields. You do not need to type into every single one of these. They are optional, but let me talk you through the different options. I'm actually going to pre-fill what I had previously in here. So show name, this is whatever your show is. Maybe it's Nutcracker. My studio, we're doing Peter Pan this year. So show name, you're going to put that into your first text box. And then song title, this is optional, but we're doing the nanny named Fran for our Nana the dog dance. And then show dates, you have the option to put in two show dates. Show time, maybe you're like us and you have two shows on a day. You can type whatever you need to in these fields. That makes sense. If they are performing in a second show or on a second date, you can always add an additional show date here as well. Then these are the class details. So these are the weekly classes that are scheduled. So if parents are flipping through a costume book, they're going to look at their Monday 10 a.m. class with Miss Jessica, and this is going to be their costume. Now, when using this, I would recommend pulling up your favorite costume companies. I really thought this costume, I know Nana the dog isn't a Dalmatian, but this is a super cute costume that we could potentially use for that. So have your favorite costume makers pulled up in the background so you can paste the image into your costume form. I have mine saved right here. So we will open that. There we go. You can add additional pictures as well. So if you want to upload, what do pink tights look like? Or what color ballet shoes? Sometimes people need those visuals. So I'd always recommend that. But you can upload as many costume photos as you need into this image area. Then you have an option for accessories and further details, including what kind of hairstyle, what color tights, what color shoes, and then any additional accessories or any other notes that you would like to leave for your parents. Once this is filled out, you can click on Save Entry, and you're going to see you receive this entry saved notification. Your saved entries are here on the right. You can see the one I just created is here. I'm going to click on Print Sheet, and this is going to give all of the information we just put into the Recital Costume Planner into a very easy to see and read printable or downloadable document. So what you're going to do is right click and you're going to click on print. And here you have a couple options. You could save this as a PDF, or you could choose to send it to your local printer and print it right away for your families. But here is a peek at the printable or savable option. You could also change the orientation. If you do landscape, you can see now everything is on one nice page. So this is probably how I would print it for my families so they don't have multiple pages to look at. I hope that you enjoy the recital costume planner, and I hope that you find this to be a really useful tool in your dance classes. Happy dancing!